iceberg slime. Let's prepare the ingredients for the iceberg slime. 1 bottle
Try
of
another
white
one.
school glue.
Try another one.
Shaving cream. First things first, add some white school glue into the bowl. Good. Now we need some liquid starch.
Well done.
Add 1 bottle of shaving cream.
Nice. Good job.
Great!
Lovely.
It's time to dye the slime with beautiful colors.
Good job. Nice. Fabulous.
Use baby powder to make a matte finish on the top.
Good job. Good job.
Let's knead the slime to mix all the ingredients better. Great!
Lovely. Nice. Fabulous. Perfect.
Smooth the top of the slime with the tool. So yummy! Let's leave the slime for 3 days. Look at the crunchy top layer. It looks like a layer of ice. Now choose your favorite sprinkles. Good.
Lovely.
Uh-huh. Aha! The iceberg slime is done. Let's play with it. Let's press it with a finger.
Yummy.
Oh, yeah.
Delicious.
Yummy.
Good job.
Good.
Stretch.
Throw the slime. Great. Knead the slime.
Good job.
Great.
Lovely.
Nice.
Fabulous.
Let's twist it. Oh, yeah.
Lovely.
Now drag your slime into the box. Uh-huh. Delicious!
Well done.
Let's give a beautiful name to your slime. I know what I want.
Lovely.
Delicious! Yo-ho!
Lovely.
Aha! Yo-ho!
Well done.
Aha! The iceberg slime is done. Let's play with it. Let's press it with a finger.